Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix internet connection problems you're experiencing on your Windows 10 device. So in this brief tutorial, we're going to jump right into it. And rather than running some commands through the command line window, Microsoft has recently released an update for Windows that makes it a lot easier to reset your network connection. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. And you want to type in Settings. Best Match should say Settings directly above Trusted Microsoft Store app. You want to left click on that one time to open it up. And now you want to left click on the Network and Internet tile. Now you want to make sure you're underneath the status option on the left side here, and then you want to proceed to scroll down using the scroller on the right until you get to Network Reset. So you want to left click on that hyperlink, and where it says Network Reset, this will remove then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Left click on this Reset Now button. It's going to prompt you, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Left click on Yes. Now at this point, you're going to be patient. It might ask you to restart your computer, and once it says you're about to be signed out, you can click on Close here, restart your computer, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.